So here I am with the boys, and we're watching for lightning, and it's been going a lot. Maybe hard to see in the current brightness on here. I'll see if I can turn the light down a bit. I'll wait until the next zappity zap. Unless it looks good. Woo! What do you think this one's gonna sound like?
I don't know.
Yeah,
Anyway.
it's been going like this for about an hour. Just huge bolts of lightning.
You're like, that one sound like kaboof, kaboof, kaboof.
And we get the show right out our front window. And they've been zapping around. Some big ones. Wally, can you sit down so that we can see? Just in case there's more lightning. And the rain's picking up again. It had flooded the parking lot nearby a little while ago. Whoa! Like that. This would look really spectacular at night. A few minutes ago, we were getting that thing where the rumbling just never seemed to stop. It was just going and going and going.
Well, I'm itching myself with
And if the lightning's on cue, we should get another one in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah, not bad. A little bit of one there, which means we should have a follow-up in about 3, 2, 1, 0. Oh, what a letdown. Oh, a few seconds off.
Hello!
And here it comes.
Daddy, could you say that Wally's chewing on his skin?
You're chewing on your skin?
Yeah, itch myself.
Why?
Because
Oh yeah, the rain's picking up. We had hail earlier too.
Not bad.
This is almost like the weather we had when Johnny was born. And that was a couple weeks ago. We've had not much for rain out here in Nipawin. And then we had some rain the last couple of days, and all of a sudden, boom, we had a whole bunch more rain. Plus the storm.
I didn't know that the... Whoa, look at those pipes on the hockey rink.
I wonder if it's even in focus. Oh, maybe
There's a
it's
lot of water
in focus?
coming out of the hockey rink.
Oh, let's try that.